U.S. President Joe Biden announced an additional $800 million in military assistance to Ukraine on Wednesday, expanding the scope of the systems provided to include heavy artillery ahead of a wider Russian assault expected in eastern Ukraine. The Ukrainians also will receive armored personnel carriers, armored Humvees, naval drone vessels used in coastal defense, and gear and equipment used to protect soldiers in chemical, biological, nuclear, and radiological attacks. Biden announced the aid after a call with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky. It is the latest in a series of U.S. security assistance packages valued at a combined $2.6 billion that has been committed to Ukraine since Russia invaded on Feb 24th. The weaponry and support material has played an important role in Ukraine's successful defense thus far. The Pentagon said the $800 million package announced by Biden includes weapons and equipment that will require some training for a Ukrainian military not fully accustomed to American military technology. U.S. and allied forces had been present inside Ukraine to provide training for 8 years before pulling out in advance of Russia's latest invasion. The new arms package includes 18 of the U.S. Army's 155mm howitzers and 40,000 artillery rounds, 2 air surveillance radars, 300 Switchblade kamikaze armed drones, and 500 Javelin missiles designed to knock out tanks and other armor. Also included are 10-camera artillery radars used to track incoming artillery and other projectiles to determine their point of origin for counterattacks. Among the other items in the package are 11 Soviet-era Mi-17 helicopters that the United States had planned to provide to Afghanistan before Biden last year decided to fully withdraw from the country. They are transport helicopters that also can function in an attack role. The Pentagon previously had sent 5 Mi-17s. Zelensky has been pleading with U.S. and European leaders to provide heavier arms and equipment. Thousands have been killed and millions displaced in the 7-week-long invasion. Russia has been unable to achieve most of its military goals as Ukrainians have put up a fiercer-than-expected resistance. Russia calls its actions in Ukraine a special operation to destroy Ukraine's military capabilities and capture what it views as dangerous nationalists, but Ukraine and the West say Russia began an unprovoked war of aggression. On Wednesday, Russia said it had taken control of the southeastern Ukrainian port of Mariupol and that more than 1,000 Ukrainian Marines had surrendered. Anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates on awesome videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.